Now let's move on to our product demonstration. Our system integrates MediaFax for file storage, a relational database for indexing, and AWS with API gateway and Lambda functions to manage user interaction through a command line interface. And let's dive into some real-world scenarios to showcase how our system works. As you can see, we are starting with empty MediaFax and database, and we have prepared some real instances here. Catherine, let's assume you are a researcher.
Okay, if I have a new problem to be investigated, how do I add it to the system?
To create a new problem, we just use this simple command. And what's your username?
It's DONGMD.
And it might take some time. And what is your domain?
I'm a student.
Great. And what's the problem name you want to add?
Let's go with traveling salesman problem.
Okay. Our system is smart enough to suggest an abbreviation. It's suggesting TSP. Does that work for you?
Sounds good to me.
Great. Let's press Enter to accept it. And what's the file format will the instances use?
They will all end with TSP.
Okay. And we're currently focusing on optimization, so I will select the problem type. And now let's enter your password.
Yeah, just a reminder, just here the password is just for your MediaFax account, which is same as your Unimail login.
And we are all set now. Your new problem is now in the system and also in the database.
It looks good. Now, if I got some instances for the problem we just created, and they all under the category CLK Easy, how do I upload those?
It's easy. And this time, I have put your username and the path to instances in the new command. And let's select the problem to upload. Notice how the system automatically detects the CLK Easy category. Let's confirm by selecting 1. And we need password here as well. And it uploads all your instances in parallel. Let me show you in the MediaFax and database. And yes, here.
Wow, that's really fast.
Yeah, speed is definitely one of our strong points.
Now, what if I want to create a new problem while uploading an instance?
Absolutely. Our system makes it easy. Just provide me the problem and instance details.
Can we try creating a graph coloring problem with an instance ending with COL?
Sure, let's try with this command. And let's press Enter for new problem. And the problem name is graph coloring problem as you requested. And also let's press Enter to accept the abbreviation. Use COL as the file format as you requested. And again, select 1 as problem type. And now we need to enter the password.
Okay, can you remove the category for me this time?
Sure, so let's select 3 then. And after authentication, all information is uploaded to MediaFax and database.
This system seems really friendly to use, but what happens if I make a mistake? For example, if I enter an invalid domain?
Don't worry, our error handling is robust and user-friendly. And let's try it. So there is a clear feedback shown here.
Great! What happens if I try to upload a TSP file to graph coloring problem?
Okay, let's try it. So the file is TSP, and then we wrongly upload it to the graph coloring problem. And also, there is a clear error message shown here.
I'm impressed. This seems like it will save researchers a lot of time and headaches.
Exactly. As the product owner, I'm pleased to say our system is designed to be intuitive, efficient, and error-resistant. It streamlines the process of managing research problems and instance, allowing researchers like yourself and, of course, Dr. Andreas to focus on what really matters, solving those problems.